I am going to show you how to take a regular t-shirt and turn it into some fun t-shirt yarn to make projects like this. I am going to be using this beautiful Kelly green color. Of course, you can upcycle any t-shirt you already own. I just recommend that there are no prints on it because what you'll see in just a minute is us stretching the t-shirt strips to create the yarn, and sometimes the graphic prints on t-shirts can really get in the way of that. So let's remove this. So we're going to begin by cutting underneath that armpit through both layers of the shirt. All right, and we're almost all the way across. So we're gonna just use this bottom part of the t-shirt to make our yarn, and this top part of the yarn can be used for other DIY projects in the future. There is a way that you can cut the rest of this t-shirt into more yarn. In my experience, I have found that you'll end up spending more time finagling with curving the cuts around in like a snake-like motion rather than actually getting good use out of it. So for today's demonstration, I'm just gonna show you how to use that bottom half of the shirt. We're also going to cut and remove this bottom portion of the t-shirt. This is the side of the t-shirt up here on the top edge, and I'm going to take the other side and fold it up, leaving about an inch space or so, just like that. Then using a ruler, you're going to want to cut about 1 inch rectangles. I am just showing you with the tool so that you have a better reference. And I am cutting through all of the folded layers right now. All right, and once you reach the top, you're going to stop where that first layer ends. So you're gonna cut through right there, but then we're gonna leave this back panel uncut. So continue to cut your strips all the way down to the end of this rectangle and meet me back when you are finished. Total, this took me about less than 6 or 7 minutes to make. And so now we're going to go on to the next step. So holding that top part where we did not cut through, we're just going to open it up like so. And starting from the very edge, we're going to cut a diagonal line right here. This is going to allow the yarn to loop over on itself and be one continuous strand. Okay, so opening this seam up like so, we're going to cut another diagonal line. And continue to do this all the way down until you reach the end. We are at the very last strip, and as you can see here, we just have to do what we did at the beginning and cut that. So now we have these strips of the fabric, and as you can see, my edges are nowhere near perfect, but watch the magic as you stretch it out. The ends curl in really nicely and none of those jagged edges matter. And you can see that there's this really consistent thickness. And what you're gonna do is just continue to pull and stretch the yarn strips evenly until you work your way through the entire pile. If you have a yarn winder, this would be super helpful to make a cake out of our yarn. You can always roll it into a ball the old-fashioned way. I think that literally took us about 20 seconds or so, and we are done. So one extra large t-shirt yielded about 87 grams or so. And if you'd like to make my cherry bag, be sure to check out the link to that free pattern in the description below.